Hey everyone, welcome back to ACT Math Quick Hits, where you can make this one small change by watching these videos. It doesn't cost you any money, only costs you a little bit of time, and you're going to help improve your Math ACT score. Here's the rundown of the Math ACT section, and let's get back into it. All right, so today's question gives us what we call a two-way table. So it tells us a little story about what's going on here, right? On a trip, two sisters counted 1,400 vehicles. Great. They divided the vehicles into categories: cars, trucks, and others. They noted the color of each as white, black, red, or other shown on the table. What is it? So right before you even get into the question, I think about, before there were cell phones, you had to try to entertain yourself on long car rides, and maybe this is what they did. All right, so let's answer this question here. It says, what is the probability that a randomly selected truck is black? All right, so that's going to be important because it's telling us a randomly selected truck is black. So what that tells us is that we just need to focus on the trucks. This is what's known as a conditional probability. We don't care about anything else going on, right? We don't care about this total cars they looked was 1,430. We just care about the trucks, right? And if you notice, a couple of your answer choices have out of that 1,430, again, trying to throw you off. All right, but let's focus on our trucks. How many total trucks do we see? Well, that goes on the bottom of our probability, 479. And what are we looking for? The black trucks, right? There was 31 of them. So we are just 31 over 479. Looks like we don't even need to reduce that answer. So we are we're in business, right? We're done with this question, right? It's question B. Boom. Well, let's get the click on there. There it is. Done. All right. So I know this isn't the most exciting stuff, but as you see it today, it is really quick. Your future self will appreciate you liking and subscribing. That way you can get more of this practice with the ACT. Thanks, everyone.